It is Wednesday, 23rd of August, lunchtime. We are still at Djibouti port on anchor. Did the boat cleaning yesterday and went out for a sightseeing tour. So there are a couple of boats here in Djibouti at the moment, all going down south. So came from most of them Mediterranean. So we have one monohull over there, which is a family from South Africa. They cruised the last year or 1.5 years around the Med, and right now on the way to Madagascar. Then we have the Bali here in the back. It's a charter boat delivery to Male, and they stopped here for about 2 weeks already. Then there is another monohull, Navea. She just arrived now, and they have the military on board now to do the check-in. She arrived in Jeddah at the same day as we left, and on the way to Dubai. And we have here our friend Xavier from Dubai. He is leaving today, actually, heading to Dubai. Also came from the north, from France. These guys over there came also from the Mediterranean. That's a couple, half Turkish, half Swiss. And then we have a Tana 47 here, Fontaine Pajot. Delivery, they are together, Bali and this Tana. Came from Greece, both, and go to Male. So we probably will leave together on Friday from here and then go down south. So funny story here. It's not so funny actually. This blue building over there. We got the information yesterday that actually this is a bank building. The bank, a private bank here in Djibouti, and the owner are the ex-pirates from Somalia. So they made such a huge pile of money that they opened a private bank and are now a very big investor in real estate around Africa, Saudi Arabia or Arabian Peninsula, and probably other countries. So they run a very big group. And it seems that they made that much money out of their piracy activities. Gave a lot of jobs to Somalis, and yeah, that's the story behind it. So the locals here, they give them a special name, which is in translation something like the new rich. Everybody is well aware about where this money is coming from and who runs the company and who is behind the company. So from pirate to top manager. We are going today for shopping. This is the small fisherman port. So we go there and then go to the shopping mall, which is just behind here, and get some provisioning, mainly drinks, water, soda, to be prepared for Friday leaving leaving Djibouti, sorry.
Oh, great.
Everything very relaxed and easy here. People are very friendly.
Oh, just a second. Volume un peu. كاغروت ثلاثة كان يفوق بس إني فقي. عملين شو. كات سامع تستسمي مرة تكيم حاجة. كات سامع تستسمي مرة تكيم. كات هنا معي. هي كات سامع عيني فقي. وهو Buradan becek. No, Yani? You do?
It's good.
He's autodidact musician orchestra. He's from Greek, but he's American, like you.
Oh my god.
Sundowner today in Djibouti. Not much to see because it's quite clouded at the horizon. And, yeah, in the evening it's getting a little bit clouded. Yesterday we had thunderstorms in the night, flashing. Luckily it didn't come over us. It's getting dark very early here, 6:30 the sun goes down and 7 o'clock it's dark. See you tomorrow, my friends.